Hey guys, hey, it's your girl Breonna Queen. If you're new to my channel, I like to focus on easy beauty as well as simple DIY. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Seriously, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and click it. This is going to be a step-by-step full face makeup tutorial. You guys loved my step-by-step beginner tutorial, so I figured why not do one with the eyeshadow look. This is going to be full face, including a super easy eyeshadow look, literally only 3 eyeshadows. Hope you'll continue to watch. So this step is completely optional. I'm going to first apply primer. Primer helps improve the longevity of your foundation. Also, if you have oily or combination skin, primer does help compact the oiliness. Now I'm going in with my foundation. I am using Fenty foundation. Just so you guys know, our products will be down below. Now I'm going ahead with my beauty blender, and the beauty blender is damp. I did mist it with the water. I'm going to go ahead and apply the foundation to my face. I like to first apply the foundation to the center of my face and then work my way outward. And as you can see, I'm not smearing the beauty blender onto my face, I'm dabbing it. When you dab the foundation onto your face, it helps make it more natural. Also, don't forget to blend into your hairline as well as your jawline so you don't have that differential line. Now I'm going to fill in my eyebrows using my e.l.f. eyebrow spoolie and pencil. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and brush my brows my desired direction and shape. Now I'm taking my eyebrow pencil and I'm going to go ahead and fill in my brows. Once I have the shape of my brows, then I'm going to use short strokes because short strokes do mimic hair. Once I have my eyebrows all filled in, I'm going to take the spoolie and brush it out so it looks more natural. I do have a detailed video on how I do my eyebrows, so I'll link that video down below as well. And then totally optional, but I like to apply a little bit of concealer underneath my brow. Helps to lift up the brows as well as it allows any kind of mistakes you made filling in your brows, you can correct it with the concealer. You do not want to apply concealer that's too light for you though. I do not recommend applying a concealer underneath your brows that is any lighter than 2 to 3 shades. Now I'm going to apply some eyelid primer. Eyelid primer is optional, however it does improve the longevity of your eyeshadows. It also helps to blend your eyeshadows easier because it gives you a really nice coverage. And on top of that, it can help your eyeshadow to appear more brighter and vibrant. So I do recommend the eyelid primer, especially if you have oily eyelids. With the eyeshadow blending brush and using circular motions, I'm going to go ahead and apply my crease color. I'm applying this color a little bit above my crease as well as to my crease. And as you can see, I'm using circular motions. You can always apply more eyeshadow. So I highly recommend starting off with a little bit of eyeshadow and blending it into your crease and then applying more and packing that on until you get your desired intensity. Now I'm taking this bright red eyeshadow. I'm going to go ahead and warm up my crease a little bit more. Again, I'm using circular motions and I'm going to go ahead and apply that to my crease a little bit lower than where we applied the orange eyeshadow. I like to go in with a clean blending brush and blend out the edges. As you can see, I'm just using wind striper motions and I'm just blending out the edges so they can look a little more smoky and they don't have that sharp differential line where I apply the eyeshadows. Taking this shimmery shadow, we're going to apply this to our eyelids. Make sure you focus on the center of your eyelids. You do not want to go above your crease with this shimmer shade. And then I'm going to go ahead and clean up the eyeshadow. Then I'm going to do eyeliner, some mascara, and then we're going to take that same orange and apply that to our lower lash line. The same orange we used above the crease, we're going to use below the eye. Then I'm taking a black pencil and I'm going to apply that to my waterline. I do have a video about how to apply eyeliner to your waterline. I'll link that down below. And then I'm also going to apply some false lashes because my real lashes are pitiful. So I need some fake lashes to, I just feel like they make the look better, And while my eyelash glue is drying, I'm going to go ahead and apply my concealer under eye. I like to apply my concealer in a triangle shape, focusing on the corner of my eye and then also my nose and my forehead to help highlight my face, make my nose look slimmer. And now I'm just blending out my concealer using the same beauty blender I used for my foundation. As you can see, I'm focusing on the center of my face and then as I get outward, I'm going blending out the edges. And then I'm going to go ahead and set my under eye concealer. Setting your concealer is going to help your concealer last longer because you're giving it a powder to grab onto. Also, if you have oily or combination skin, setting your concealer helps to compact oiliness. Now, contouring is completely optional. You do not have to contour your face. However, I like to contour my face because it does bring a little more dimension back into your face. Also, I got a big head, so contouring is going to help to slim your cheeks. So once I applied that contour to the perimeters of my face, I'm taking that same beauty blender and I'm just blending that out. Then taking a stripper brush, I'm going to go ahead and brush off the powder I used under eye to set my concealer. Now I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara under eye. I'm also going to apply some blush. And then I'm going to apply a highlight to my cheekbones, which just helps my skin look like it's glowing from within. And I'm using Laura Mercier translucent powder in Glow, and I'm in the color medium D. And last but not least, the lips. I'm going to apply brown lip liner, and then I'm going to apply a Smashbox lipstick. I do have a video all about how to apply lip liner for lipstick, and I'll reference that down below as well. And once I have the lips done, we're pretty much done with the look. So if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please be sure to thumbs up, subscribe, and pin to your Pinterest board so you can reference later. I'll talk to you guys in my very next video. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay beautiful, and stay blessed. Mwah. I love you. Bye.